Exciting news for all you smartphone lovers out there. Samsung has let the cat out of the bag about its upcoming Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra, and there are some fantastic details to get excited about. Pricing deals. The Galaxy S24 is listed at $1,399, but hold on to your hats because there's a fantastic deal available, bringing it down to a super tempting $1,049. If you're eyeing the powerful Galaxy S24 Ultra with a massive 1 terabyte of storage, it's officially priced at $1,749. But guess what? You can snag it for a cool $1,499. That's some serious savings right there. Stylish colors. Samsung is spoiling you with a delightful array of colors to choose from. For the Galaxy S24, you've got options like classic black, sophisticated gray, vibrant violet, and eye-catching yellow. And to add a touch of flair, they've given them some fancy names like onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow. Now, if you're leaning towards the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you're in for a treat. It's taking things up a notch with titanium frames available in sleek choices like titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. And for the vanilla and plus models, they're sporting stylish aluminum armor frames. Early peek. Samsung's Ecuadorian website accidentally spilled the beans on these fantastic devices even before their official launch. Oops! But hey, it's good news for all of us eagerly waiting to get our hands on these gems. So, if you're on the hunt for a new smartphone that combines power, style, and some great deals, keep your eyes peeled for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra. Samsung has got something special cooking, and you won't want to miss out on these exciting gadgets.